Toyota Vellfire Anh20 2008 to 2014 version. Install Stinger 1GB RAM, 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player, good fitting casing. Okay, OEM socket plug and play, power socket plug and play, steering control socket plug and play. Connect with original reverse camera. .1-inch Android, and also connect with aftermarket roof monitor, 10.2-inch OEM roof monitor for Vellfire or Alphard Anh20. So fully follow main head unit. Fully follow display for main head unit, OEM roof monitor. With file manager. Okay, USB slot to manage your file. USB extension we put in the drawer. 2 USB, 10.1-inch, no DVD and no SD card. Easy connect mirror link, selected phone model. Bluetooth for Bluetooth call or Bluetooth music. For Bluetooth call, it's got a mic input and reset. BT music for Bluetooth music, sharing your phone music to car player, video input and video output. Setting, network internet, turn on the Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. Common setting, steering control setting, about device, Equalizer DSP, DSP Equalizer, got a preset equalizer. Loudness, bass, balance, and a time delay. .1-inch Android GPS big screen player, Toyota Vellfire Alphard Anh20. Installed by One Piece. Video handy. Thank you.